Hello guys, if you're someone who loves to explore new places and embark on exciting adventures, then this video is for you. We have curated a collection of innovative and practical gadgets that will take your travel experience to the next level. Join us as we explore the coolest gadgets that will transform the way you travel. From compact and lightweight designs to cutting-edge technology, these gadgets are sure to impress even the most seasoned travelers. Number 1. Cutlery Portable Power Station. Whether you're camping, on an outdoor adventure, or need emergency backup power at home, this solar generator has got you covered. With a massive 1,534 watt-hours capacity and 1,800 WAC output power, it can handle all your appliances from mini coolers to electric grills and more. And the best part, it's 100% clean and unlimited solar energy. Charge it up with solar panels or an AC wall outlet in just 4 hours. With an ergonomic grip and speedy setup, you can enjoy outstanding charging efficiency and quiet operation. With 7 outlets, including USB ports, AC outlets, and even a car outlet, the Cutlery Explorer 1500 can power pretty much anything you need. Plus, it's safe and reliable, meeting all safety standards and featuring industry-leading cylindrical batteries. Number 2. Ize CamJam. This versatile rope tightener comes with a convenient carabiner clip and gate on one end, allowing you to use it in either a fixed end or a loop system configuration to securely tie down lumber, gear, and other heavy loads. Crafted from heavy-duty, durable cast aluminum, the CamJam XT boasts an impressive load limit of 500 pounds and a brake strength of 1,500 pounds. It's designed to fit rope sizes up to 3/8, making it perfect for various applications. When you're done, the quick-release feature allows for easy disengagement. Please note that the CamJam XT is not for climbing and should not be used where disengagement could result in bodily injury or property damage. Get your hands on the Ize CamJam XT aluminum rope tightener now and experience the convenience and reliability it brings to your outdoor adventures. Number 3. Whalen Settler's Tools. This versatile hand auger is a must-have piece of bushcraft gear for camping, hiking, backpacking, and bushcrafting. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the Settler's wrench is the perfect companion for building emergency shelters and crafting primitive cabin tools in the wild. Its Scotch eyewood auger hand drill makes creating holes a breeze, and the included peg maker adds another layer of functionality to this survival multi-tool. With its compact and portable design, this hand auger fits effortlessly into your bushcraft backpack, making it the go-to bushcraft tool for all your outdoor escapades. And to ensure safe storage and easy carry, it even comes complete with a leather sheath. Number 4. Ize Camp Shower. With its newly designed foot pump, this camping shower delivers up to 12 liters or 3 gallons of water at a steady speed, giving you the same comfort as back home. The adjustable shower nozzle with a hose length of 78.74 inches allows you to control the water flow easily, providing a soothing shower experience at your own pace, with no need to worry about water wastage. Made of PVC waterproof material, this camping shower bag is leak-proof and durable, ensuring a reliable shower experience. Plus, it can be exposed directly to the sun, absorbing sunlight to warm the water for a comfortable shower. Weighing light and portable, you can easily fold or unfold the camping shower bag during your trip, and it comes with a drawstring carrying bag for added convenience. Number 5. Pak Waterproof Backpack. Designed for convenience, the Waterproof bag features a roll-top closure and a single reinforced strip to ensure water stays out. Just fold the bag down 3-4 times, buckle it up, and you're ready to go. With plenty of extra storage, this bag is equipped with both inside and outside pockets. The large splash-proof zipper on the outside allows quick access to grab-and-go items, while the built-in zippered pocket, mesh compartment, and key ring on the inside keep your belongings organized and secure. Travel with confidence, as this bag is safe and compact for easy carry on an airplane. Its roll-top closure provides ultimate protection while traveling, and the convenient D-rings attached to the shoulder straps and mall system looping offer anchor points to latch onto while boating or biking. Number 6. Garberg Blade. Designed for comfort and ease of use, the knife features a patterned high-friction grip that makes it comfortable to hold and easy to handle, giving you full control during your tasks. With a blade length of 4.1 inches and a thickness of 0.1 inch, the Garberg knife is perfectly sized for various outdoor activities. Its overall length of 8.6 inches and lightweight design, weighing just 4.1 ounces with the sheath, make it a convenient and portable tool to carry on your adventures. The knife comes with a color-matching plastic sheath, complete with a belt clip, ensuring easy and secure carrying. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply exploring the great outdoors, the Garberg will be a reliable and sturdy companion. Number 7. Get Go Emergency Pack. This 5-day emergency kit is specially designed to withstand various disasters like fire, earthquakes, hurricanes, wildfires, floods, and even your travels. The kit is made from 100% fiberglass, coated with fire-resistant silicone, making it capable of withstanding temperatures up to 1000 degrees Celsius, ensuring your valuable belongings stay safe and secure. With a focus on sustainability, the GetXGo Emergency Pack is not only reliable but also environmentally friendly, providing you with peace of mind while being mindful of the planet. Smartly organized and equipped with a preparedness app, this emergency pack ensures that you have everything you need at your fingertips, making it easy to access and use during critical situations. Safety is our priority, and the GetXGo pack includes all the essential details to keep you and your loved ones safe and protected. Portable, clean, and modern, this compact emergency pack is designed for easy transport, ensuring you can take it anywhere you go, whether it's for everyday preparedness or your travel adventures. Number 8. Leatherman Raptor Rescue. When it comes to survival, the Raptor Rescue answers the call without hesitation. This versatile tool is equipped with 6 essential functions, including folding emergency response shears, a strap cutter, a ring cutter, a ruler, an oxygen tank wrench, and a carbide glass breaker. Whatever the situation, the Raptor Rescue has you covered. With a specially designed sheath, you can carry your Raptor Rescue open or closed, ensuring quick and easy access whenever you need it. Choose between a belt-friendly utility or mall-compatible style, whichever suits your needs best. Number 9. Cutlery Set. Measuring just 3.2 by 2.5 inches when packed, this set is perfect for backpacking trips, day trips, and any adventure in between. When assembled, it extends to a practical 21 centimeters or 8.3 inches, providing you with all the functionality of your regular silverware set, but in a more compact and travel-friendly form. Cutlery is designed for easy use and quick assembly. It assembles in seconds, making it more practical and convenient than carrying your usual silverware set on the go. Made from premium stainless steel, our durable cutlery set is built to last, ensuring you can use and reuse it for years to come. It's not only a sustainable choice but also a reliable one. Cleaning your cutlery set is a breeze. Simply wipe it clean with water while you're on the go or place it in the dishwasher when you're back home. Number 10. Fire Ant Fire Starter. With its glow-in-the-dark feature, you can easily find your knife even in the darkest of nights. No more fumbling around in the dark, the Fire Ant has got you covered. Crafted with a superior quality flint formula, this fire starter is easy to spark, creating big sparks effortlessly, and it's gentle on your knife tools. The Fire Ant is designed to withstand the elements with its anti-corrosion color coating, providing long-lasting protection from moisture and other environmental factors. One of the standout features of the Fire Ant is its incredible lightweight and compact design. Weighing only 1 gram, it's the world's lightest and smallest waterproof fire starting system. Don't let its size fool you, it's a powerful tool that packs a punch when it comes to starting fires. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just exploring the great outdoors, the Fire Ant 6-pack is a must-have addition to your Swiss Army Victorinox knife. Always be prepared for any situation with the Fire Ant at your side. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey through 10 essential camping and survival gadgets. We hope you found these tools as fascinating and useful as we did. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up to support our channel. And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Which gadget impressed you the most? Have you tried any of them before? Share your insights with the community.